Are you curious about the future of transportation? What if we told you that Toyota has just unveiled a new engine that could potentially change the game for the automotive industry? In this video, we'll be discussing the implications of Toyota's new ammonia engine and how it could impact the future of electric vehicles. Toyota has introduced a groundbreaking technology that could reshape the automotive landscape: the ammonia engines. This innovation marks a significant departure from conventional fuel sources and could have a profound impact on the electric vehicle (EV) market. The ammonia engines developed by Toyota represent a leap forward in sustainable automotive solutions. Ammonia, a compound composed of nitrogen and hydrogen, serves as the fuel source for these engines. This departure from traditional gasoline or diesel engines is a bold move towards more eco-friendly alternatives. The implications for the electric vehicle market are substantial. While electric cars have been gaining traction, challenges such as charging infrastructure and battery production have slowed widespread adoption. Toyota's ammonia engines offer an alternative that combines the convenience of traditional fueling with reduced environmental impact. Ammonia is abundant and can be produced using renewable energy sources, making it a potentially greener option compared to traditional fossil fuels. This innovation could appeal to consumers seeking sustainable transportation without the range anxiety associated with electric cars. Additionally, Toyota's venture into ammonia engines introduces a new player in the alternative fuel space, providing consumers with more choices beyond traditional gasoline and electric options. This diversity could drive competition, fostering further advancements and making sustainable transportation more accessible. While the full impact of Toyota's ammonia engines on the EV market remains to be seen, it undoubtedly adds an intriguing dimension to the ongoing evolution of automotive technology. As consumers and industries continue to prioritize sustainability, innovations like these contribute to a more dynamic and environmentally conscious future for transportation. Toyota has partnered with Guangzhou Automobile Group, GAC, to develop an innovative internal combustion engine powered by ammonia. The prototype engine is a 2.0-liter four-cylinder with 161 horsepower and a 90% carbon emissions reduction rate compared to a fossil-fueled engine with similar capacity and power. While the world is actively transitioning from internal combustion engines toward cleaner alternatives like EVs and FCVs, GAC is taking a distinct approach by exploring alternative propulsion technologies beyond the conventional ICE systems without switching completely to BEVs. The ammonia engine could potentially become a death stroke for the proliferation of EVs. However, Toyota's involvement in ammonia engine technology suggests a future where cleaner and more sustainable transportation options, including alternative fuels like hydrogen and synthetic fuels, could potentially extend the lifespan of combustion engines and offer a compelling and eco-friendly choice for consumers. The 2-liter four-cylinder ammonia engine generates a 161 horsepower output, and the companies claim that it cuts carbon emissions by 90%. This could offer an important new option for vehicle design and could contribute to the decarbonization of the transport sector. While the ammonia engine is still in its early stages of development, it has the potential to offer several benefits. For instance, the ammonia engine could potentially extend the lifespan of combustion engines and offer a compelling and eco-friendly choice for consumers. Additionally, the use of ammonia as a fuel source could contribute to the decarbonization of the transport sector. However, it is important to note that the use of ammonia as a motor vehicle fuel would require a significant change to current infrastructures, both in ammonia production and fuel storage and transportation. Furthermore, Toyota's involvement in ammonia engine technology suggests a future where cleaner and more sustainable transportation options, including alternative fuels like hydrogen and synthetic fuels, could potentially extend the lifespan of combustion engines and offer a compelling and eco-friendly choice for consumers. The introduction of Toyota's ammonia engines reverberates across the automotive industry, sparking discussions and debates that ripple through the electric vehicle (EV) market. As the news spreads, industry experts, enthusiasts, and competitors alike scrutinize the potential implications of this revolutionary technology. In the realm of electric vehicles, where lithium-ion batteries have been the reigning champion, the ammonia engines present an alternative that challenges the status quo. The lingering question on everyone's mind is whether this innovation will disrupt the growing dominance of electric cars or complement the existing landscape. Proponents of the ammonia engines highlight their potential to address some of the persistent challenges facing electric vehicles. Range anxiety, a common concern for EV owners, could be mitigated by the convenience of traditional refueling offered by ammonia-powered cars. This advantage, coupled with the eco-friendly nature of ammonia production, positions Toyota's innovation as a viable solution for a broader audience. Conversely, skeptics express reservations about the scalability and infrastructure required to support ammonia-powered vehicles. While electric charging stations have become more prevalent, the prospect of establishing a parallel network for ammonia refueling raises logistical questions. The success of ammonia engines may hinge on the industry's ability to address these concerns and develop a comprehensive infrastructure. Competitors in the electric vehicle market, initially dismissive of the ammonia concept, now find themselves reassessing their strategies. The entry of a major player like Toyota into the alternative fuel space adds a new layer of competition. Automakers are prompted to reconsider their own innovation pipelines, ensuring they remain at the forefront of sustainable technology. As consumer interest in environmentally conscious transportation grows, Toyota's ammonia engines create a unique niche. Potential buyers are intrigued by the prospect of a green alternative that doesn't compromise on convenience. The automotive landscape, once dominated by the binary choice of electric or traditional combustion engines, is evolving into a spectrum of options, each catering to different preferences and priorities. The ammonia engines chapter is still in its early stages, and the subsequent developments promise to be both fascinating and impactful. Will this innovation be the missing link that accelerates the adoption of sustainable transportation, or will it face hurdles that limit its widespread acceptance? Only time will tell as the automotive industry navigates this uncharted territory, guided by the drive for innovation and a commitment to a greener, more sustainable future. Chapter 3. The industry's response. Toyota's ammonia engines have set the stage for a paradigm shift in the automotive industry, prompting competitors to reassess their strategies and driving stakeholders to grapple with the implications of this innovative propulsion system. Automakers, once content with the well-established dichotomy of gasoline and electric, are now facing a pressing question: adapt or be left behind? The industry's response is a flurry of activity, as companies initiate research and development programs to explore alternative fuel solutions that align with the changing demands of consumers. Some automotive giants, recognizing the potential of ammonia-powered vehicles, begin their own forays into this uncharted territory. Research alliances are formed, bringing together expertise from diverse corners of the industry to accelerate the development of ammonia-based propulsion systems. The race is on not just to catch up with Toyota, but to surpass, each company vying for a competitive edge in the burgeoning market for sustainable transportation. Meanwhile, the energy sector experiences its own upheaval. Traditional fuel suppliers confront the reality of a shifting automotive landscape and grapple with the need to diversify their offerings. Ammonia, once a staple in fertilizers and industrial applications, emerges as a potential energy carrier, creating opportunities for collaboration between automotive and energy companies. The lines between sectors blur as the quest for sustainability drives cross-industry partnerships and innovation. Governments, recognizing the environmental benefits of ammonia-powered vehicles, begin to adjust their policies to encourage the adoption of this emerging technology. Incentives and subsidies are introduced to spur investment in infrastructure for ammonia refueling stations, paralleling the initiatives that have supported the growth of electric charging networks. The regulatory landscape evolves, creating a conducive environment for the development and deployment of ammonia-powered cars. On the consumer front, curiosity transforms into genuine interest. Early adopters, always on the lookout for the next big thing, explore the potential of ammonia-powered vehicles. Test drives become a journey into the future, with consumers experiencing firsthand the marriage of convenience and sustainability offered by this new breed of cars. Yet challenges persist. Concerns about the safety of handling ammonia, the environmental impact of its production, and the scalability of infrastructure remain on the forefront. As the industry collectively works to address these issues, the journey towards widespread acceptance of ammonia engines becomes a collaborative effort involving not just automakers but a network of stakeholders committed to shaping the future of transportation. The third chapter in the saga of ammonia engines unfolds against a backdrop of transformation, where the automotive industry, once resistant to change, embraces the challenge of creating a more sustainable and diverse array of propulsion systems. The road ahead is uncertain, but the wheels are in motion and the industry hurtles forward into a future where the choices for consumers are as varied as the fuels that power their vehicles.